Can you see who shared your post on Instagram? The very first thing you have to do is open up your Instagram app, and then from here, you are going to have to simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, click on the post that where you want to see who has shared it, and you can scroll down. So, as you can see, this post has two shares, but if I long press on it, there is no option to see who shared it. So Instagram does not provide you with a specific feature that allows you to see who has shared your post. But if it was done in an instant and you've gotten an instant notification that someone has shared it, only then you'll be able to see it. Otherwise, there is no option to see who shared your post on Instagram afterwards. But if Instagram brings out a new feature on the coming updates, we'll be the first one to let you know. So be sure to subscribe to our channel for latest updates. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.